Hello, my name is Dr. Chandni Nakum and this channel is dedicated to all things teeth and dentistry. I'm a dentist based in the UK and I enjoy making people smile, not only from the outside but also from within. The purpose of this channel is to help you to understand your teeth better, so I'm trying to make complex information into small, bite-sized and easy way to understand much more about your teeth. If this sounds good to you, then please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And so let's jump right in. Okay, so today we're going to be discussing one of the most asked questions, which is, how do I overcome my fear of the dentist? So anxiety and fear of the dentist is so common. I hear the phrase, I hate dentists, all the time. And it can be shown in completely different ways. So for example, it could be feeling really jittery at the dentist, fainting, full-blown panic attacks, talking so much, or even the opposite, talking very, very little, even to the point where you are missing appointments because you can't actually bring yourself to go and see the dentist. Now, if this sounds familiar, please continue watching because I'm about to give you 5 tips which hopefully you will find really useful. Okay, so tip number 1. We are here to help you to care for your teeth and your smile. Dentistry is one of those things where you might have had a really bad experience and a really bad memory of something that has happened to you when you were younger, and it's extremely common. You hear it all the time. But what you need to remember is that dentistry is also one of these professions that is constantly evolving and things are changing all the time. So it is very likely that it will not be how it was when you were younger. We are only here to help you. Number 2, the noise. People hate the sound of the drill and the noises that they hear when they're at the dentist. And again, it's super common. If that's the case and you just really dislike the sound and the buzzing in your ears, create a playlist, probably call it, I don't know, anything, dental playlist, whatever you want to do. Create the playlist and take your headphones to the dentist with you. Most headphones nowadays are soundproof too, so you can just sit back, listen to your music and relax. Tip number 3, the injection. Now, if you are needle phobic, you will literally want to run in the opposite direction of a dentist, and that is completely understandable. What you need to understand, and a way to train your mind into understanding, that the injection is the process of trying to help you not to feel pain during the procedure, which is much worse. It only lasts a few seconds and it will help your appointment to run so much more smoothly and pain-free. Now, if needles are something which really bother you, then most people will also have the option of sedation. Now, that is when you are completely conscious but you will feel really relaxed, which means that it makes the whole process run a lot more easily and it might run a bit smoothly for you because you are so relaxed about it. If you want me to make a video on sedation, then please write this in the comment section below. Tip number 4, take someone with you. Now, I know this can be quite difficult during this time, but taking someone with you can make you feel a lot more relaxed at your appointment. If you want to hold their hand, or even if you get them to speak to you, it can often distract you from what's actually going on, which can be really helpful. Tip number 5, ask the dentist to stop if you want to stop. Now, even if they have a bunch of things in your mouth and you feel you can't speak to tell them to stop, raise your hand and the dentist will know that you want to stop. There is nothing wrong with having a break if everything is getting too much for you. If you've enjoyed this video, then please comment in the section below. I would love to hear from you.